Hi everyone, welcome to the new session. In today's session, we are going to talk about a very special case on intervals when you have to exclude some values of x from the given interval. Okay, some particular values from the given interval that you cannot represent using the intervals. Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, let's say that I am given with the interval -4 to -4 to 1. Okay, now this thing applies. Okay, first of all, just remember this thing applies on all the intervals. Okay, whether your interval is open or closed, okay, or open closed or closed open. Okay, so that won't, okay, stop this thing to happen from. Okay, so closed open. So this thing, this concept, the concept that we are going to learn, you can implement this concept on any intervals that you have studied, okay, or that you know. Okay, now let's say that I'm given with this interval. Okay, so these are, x can take all the possible values that lie in this interval, but here there is one more condition, that x cannot take x cannot take 0. Okay, now x can take all the values in this interval and x cannot take value 0. Then if that's the case, then how would you represent x? Then how would you represent x? That's the question. Now see here, what happened is that when we have to exclude some values of x, where you cannot represent the excluded values in the form of intervals. For example, here we just have to exclude one value of x, okay, and we cannot represent this one value with the help of intervals or using the intervals. So in this case, what we do is we take help of the set builder or roster form. Okay, what does it mean? It means that the value that you want to exclude from the given interval, you can include those values, you can represent those values in the form of set. Let's say that here I want that x can take any value in this interval but not 0. So here I can say x, it belongs to this minus, here I will represent this 0 in the set form. Okay, so that's going to be answer. Okay, let's implement this concept on the questions. Okay, here it says that, okay, you have to represent x such that x belongs to this interval, this open interval. Okay, and x cannot take value 2. Okay, so simple. So we have to exclude these values. It means we have to represent, because we cannot represent this using interval. Okay, so here we will just represent it in the set form, and here x belongs to -1 to 10 minus 2, right? Okay, or what could be the other way? If you make a number line, here you have 0 -1, here you have 10, so your x lies in this interval, but it cannot take value 2, so 2 is here, this is, sorry, this is 2. So here I'm putting the hollow dot, okay, means that I cannot take 2. Now see here, what is the other way to write this? Here x belongs to -1 to -1 to 2, right? And union 2 to 10. Okay, this is also true. Okay, but here we are talking about when we exclude some, because this is derived from this, right? Now, here I will use here one closed interval. Okay, so it says that we have to represent x such that x belongs to this interval and x cannot take these two values. Now, x cannot take these two values, and we know that I cannot, x can take all the values between 2 and 3, but not minus 2 and, sorry, oh, it's 3 and minus 2. Yes, so here what I thought it's 2 and 3. Okay, so it's fine now. Okay, so here, because we have to exclude these values, so I will represent it in the these two values in the form of set. Okay, so, and here my x, it belongs to minus 5 to 5 here, and here minus, simple. Okay, so what could be the other way to write it? X belongs to, now if you draw a number line here, okay, this is your minus 0, this is minus 5, this is 5, and x cannot take minus 2, means this is minus 2, and here 3, this is 3, so x cannot take these values. So what does it mean? From minus 5 to, from minus 5 to 2, sorry, from minus 5 to minus 2, then union minus 2 to, see here, minus 2 to 3, minus 2 to 3, again open bracket because 3 is not included, then union from here 3 to 5, 3 to 5. Okay, so this is also the another way to write. Okay, now come to the next here. X belongs to this interval and x cannot take these three values. Now these are not the consecutive values, right? Because of these are just the particular points, okay, or particular values on the number line. So what I'm trying to say is that I cannot represent the values that I want to exclude in the form of interval. Okay, so here I have to use the set form. Here I will say 5, and here 12, here 19, and what I will do here, x belongs to this, and here minus. So this is going to be the answer. Okay, so you can again represent this on the number line. All right, here 0, here you have 3, here 20. So what you have to exclude? 5. Okay, 5 excluded. 12, here 12 excluded, here 19 excluded. Okay, so now see here, what are you left with? So from minus, sorry, from 3 to 5, 3 to 5, here 5 to 12, 5 to 12, here 12 to 19, 12 to 19, and here 19 to 20, 19 to 20. So here union, so x is going to be in this interval. Okay, so that's how you can exclude the values from the interval, where you cannot make use of intervals to represent the values that you want to exclude. Okay, then you can take help of the set form, set builder form, or the roster form. Okay, I hope you understand this. I will see you in the next session. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.